Hey, it's Sean from Precision Sport Industries, and behind me I have the BMWBlog 1M, and it's here for some exhaust change because back in the day a pretty loud exhaust was installed, and now he's looking for some refinement, and we have that refinement right below here. This is the Akrapovic slip-on exhaust. This is actually the axle back for the 1M, and this is an exhaust that is still made to this day for this car, and it was made in period for the 1M. It has a quad tip design, just like factory, but it also has carbon tips from Akrapovic that is the only configuration that now is available from Akrapovic for this car. We're also gonna change the mid pipe. We're gonna go back to the OEM setup in the midsection to, again, quiet it down and refine it. So let's get on the lift and let's get into it. So the car's up in the air and we have the exhaust that was on the car already taken off. And let me give you the rundown of what we're gonna install today. So over here on my left is the exhaust that came off. It's almost a full straight pipe. There is a little bit of a resonator there in the center, but mostly you can see secondary cats are deleted. There's just a lot of pipe and the car's fairly loud. So we're actually gonna go back a little bit and install the center. This is the factory 1M center section for the exhaust. It bolts up on that side to the factory downpipes, and this side, the Akrapovic. So this is everything that comes in the packaging from Akrapovic. This is the link pipe section, which will go onto the factory section on this 2-bolt flange here. And then this links up with the muffler, which is here. All the clamps, there's some instructions in here. Akrapovic sends all of the actual fluid and all of the pieces to put on all of the clamps, on all of the connection points for the exhaust. And this especially is important for this install because this car is going back to Chicago where they have snow and salt, which we actually don't really have here in Florida. So it's really important that these are followed. That comes with all the Akrapovic setup. To me, this is the best sounding exhaust for the 1M, especially paired with the factory center section. N54 tends to be on the louder side, and this will make it sound refined. It'll have that titanium look. It'll also have the great tips in the back, which really adds to the 1M. Enough about this exhaust. Let's get Adam to install it on the car and let's see how it sounds. So as you guys can see, we fitted the Akrapovic exhaust onto the 1M, and you can tell that by the tips. And Akrapovic spends a lot of time and design work on some special tips for the cars. This particular car in period had 2 sets of tips. One's a brown brownish titanium tip, which is no longer available, and they made the carbon tip, which is dual walled, which is titanium inside with the carbon on the outside, and they have this really cool badge for Akrapovic here, which is a really nice detail touch. Akrapovic really spends a lot of time on the design of the tips to make it have a signature aesthetic for the particular car. The G8X has an octagonal carbon and titanium design. The XM has a stacked carbon and titanium design, just like the OE design of the XM. Now, enough about the tips of the special exhaust. Let's get the car up in the air and I'll show you the rest of the details on the Akrapovic. Okay, now that we have the car up in the air, I'm gonna start with the boring stuff, which is stock. This is a stock N54. It's mostly a stock 1M. To talk about the exhaust, we have stock downpipes here with the cats. This is a stock mid pipe, all this section here, more cats, and then a big resonator here at the end. The best part is right here where the stock exhaust ends and the Akrapovic begins. The 1M has a really unique exhaust configuration where the exhaust is ending here and has this pipe that goes under the axle and then up out the exhaust and the muffler, really specific for 1M. And this exhaust, while half of it stays boring, is really the most refined sound, I would say, out of the 1M. N54 can be a crazy sounding car. We've built these cars with single turbos that make crazy horsepower, and they're super, super loud. And if you delete cats in the downpipe, you start messing with the way the resonance is in the mid pipe, you can get a crazy loud car. And remember, this is a collector car. Only 740 of these were made. And this particular guy needs to have refinement. He also needs to be able to pass emissions up in Chicago, which is why all the cats are intact. And we've just added the fun part, which is this last part of the exhaust, is the Akrapovic. Akrapovic is a special company that's in Slovenia that makes a lot of BMW motorsport specific product. And they're a company that uses really specific titanium alloy that they've developed in-house, so they have the lightness and the strength of titanium without some of the factors of cracking and breaking like titanium is prone to do in its fullest form. The specific construction of an exhaust like this is made from laser cut parts. It's also made from casting. There's actually a fully cast titanium piece right here in this elbow, which is this portion here on this muffler, that really no one else can make. Casting titanium is a really specific process, a really difficult process, and they've been able to do it. And Akrapovic not only makes it and incorporates it in their exhaust design, they also make it for medical companies and space companies all over the world because it's just that unique of a fabrication technique. There's also hand welding on this, there's also robot welding on this, and there's a special coating that's made for all seasons, all sort of salt on the road, and the exhausts are tested for sound and for emission specific rules all over the world. And they don't just make them for BMW. They make Porsche, Ferrari. There's a lot of motorsport specific exhausts that they make as well. Akrapovic is one of my favorite companies because it's considered the best you can get. It's the best exhaust. It always fits perfect. The fit and finish is always something to be proud of. And it's like a jewelry piece for a lot of cars. And when you add in the specific aesthetic of a special tip design or a special period tip design like this has, it really enhances a collector car like this with a special exhaust that can really age well with the car and really, I would say, improves the value of the car because you have an exhaust that's better than factory, looks better than factory, and comes from an OEM BMW motorsport manufacturer like Akrapovic. So now the moment that everyone's been waiting for, let's get the 1M off the lift and hear how this amazing titanium exhaust sounds.